purchased and planted an amber jubilee Ninebark tree last fall. I was anticipating the promised beautiful fall color, but alas, that did not happen. The leaves are green with large black spots. Is this a fungus or some other disease? Did I do something wrong to cause this? And is this going to be a continual problem? And this is E. Sawyer from Central Ohio. Right? So Ninebark, beautiful plant.
It is a beautiful plant.
So what do you think about that?
Well, one thing, I think it might be stressed because it's a new transplant.
Okay.
So a lot of it could be environmental factors that are causing the problems.
Okay.
But the black on them reminds me of anthracnose a little bit.
Me too.
And I'm wondering what the weather has been like there, because if you had cool, wet weather in the spring or even in August, September, it could cause that kind of, mottling on the leaves.
Right. I would agree with that. That's what it looks like to me. It kind of follows the veins a little bit. So it looks like anthracnose. We don't know the time of year.
No,
of
I
course.
wonder when she took that picture. I don't know.
And there's something else I noticed from the picture too. It looks like it's pretty close, to the outside wall. So you wonder if it's, if it gets good air circulation through there to dry those leaves off.
Oh, that's
right.
true too.
So that's something that I noticed from the picture. But yeah, fungus. Yeah. So I mean, there's of course some fungicides that you could use, but we like to start with the cultural practices first, right?
I think that would be better. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, start with those cultural practices, and then, okay, if you want to use a fungicide, there's some copper-based fungicides, Daconil or something that you can use. But culturally, let's make sure, right?
Good airflow, yes.
Good airflows. Yeah, you're probably going to have to move it,
well,
that
that's what I was
case,
wondering.
right?
If it's a young tree and she's just planted it, she needs to look at the mature size of the tree, how wide is it going to get, and then place the center of the trunk so that it still has airflow around the structure.
Okay. That's
with
good.
that, if she, as much as she can, because that's going to help the tree.
Okay. That's good. And the tree can be saved. It can be saved. Yeah.
It's fine.
Beautiful Ninebark tree. Nice. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.